Alright, today we're going to review about polygons, which is something we've been talking about in 4th grade. What is a polygon? What is a polygon? Our math textbook tells us that a polygon is a closed figure made up by connecting line segments, where each line segment connects only to one end of two other line segments. Wow, that's a lot of words. But I know the important part of that is a polygon is a closed figure. So it has to be closed, not open. It has to be a closed figure, and it's made up of lines. Here are some examples of polygons. This would be a polygon because it's made up of lines. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines, and it's closed. So that would be a polygon. And this one would be a polygon. And we know that polygon is called a rectangle, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, and it's closed. This would also be a polygon, even though it is not a shape that we regularly think about. But let's see how many sides it has. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sides, and it is closed. So this would also be a polygon. These two shapes would not be a polygon. The first shape has 1, 2, 3 sides, but look, it's open right here, so it is not a polygon. And this shape has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines, but it is also open right here, so this would not be a polygon. This shape would also not be a polygon. Why? Because it's closed, yes, but it is not made up of all line segments. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line segments, but it also has this curve right here, so this would not be a polygon. The shape below would not be a polygon. Why? It would actually be 2 polygons. We have a triangle here, which would be a polygon, and a triangle here, which would be a polygon if they are by themselves. But this put together would not be a polygon on its own. So let's recap. We have a polygon, which is made up of line segments and is a closed figure. And a figure that would not be a polygon is made up of line segments, but it is open. So this would not be a polygon. Alright, now we're going to review some regular polygons. These are polygons that you need to know. Regular polygons are polygons whose sides are all the same length and angles are all the same as well. And once you see these, you'll know what I'm talking about. This is our first regular polygon. What's this regular polygon called? I know you know it. What's this called? If you said it's a triangle, you're correct. How many sides does this polygon have? I'll give you a second to count. If you said 3, you are correct. Good job. This shape is also a regular polygon. What is this shape called? Is it a rectangle? Yes, it is, but it also has another name. And that name starts with a Q. Do you know what that is? It's called a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. And it's called a quadrilateral because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. And if it's 4 sides, it's called a quadrilateral. Think of that like, some people like to go ride quads. They call them quads, and they are like, sort of like dirt bikes, but they're got 4 wheels. They also call them 4-wheelers. And they're like a little car thing that you can ride out in the mud, and people go and ride on them and have fun. Those are called quads. They're called quads because they have 1, 2, 3, 4 wheels. So if you think quadrilaterals. Also, if maybe you've seen them on TV before, if a woman has 4 babies, if a lady has 4 babies, they're called quadruplets. 4 babies at one time. They're called quads or quadruplets. So that can help you remember what quad means. Do you know what this polygon's called? Kind of looks like a baseball diamond. If you've ever played baseball, baseball diamond. Give you a hint. It starts with an H. Oh, I'm sorry. It starts with a P. I'm silly. It starts with a P. There we go. What is this shape called? I got ahead of myself for a second. It's called a pentagon. It's called a pentagon because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Next we have a shape that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. You know what this one's called? I almost said it on the last one, so that gave you a hint. It's called a hexagon. Hexagon. This one kind of looks like some street signs might be shaped like hexagon. The last one I think is one of the easiest ones, and it has 8 sides, so that gives you a hint. 8 sides. What's this one called? This one's called an octagon. And the way I remember that is oct. Oct is like an octopus. And an octopus has, well, it kind of looks like a spider. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octopus has 8 legs. So octopus, 8. Oct, 8. Okay, let's review. If a polygon has 3 sides, it's a triangle. If a polygon has 4 sides, it's a quadrilateral. If a polygon has 5 sides, it's a pentagon. If it has 6 sides, it's a hexagon. And if it has 8 sides, it's a octagon. Good job.